Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Stremio app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, you'll need to get the app code and loader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it and that's the app that you should get to your device. But after you got the loader, it's actually not over yet because we still have to set it up. So now, to actually stop the loader, we'll need to go to settings. So click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, there's no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. All you have to do is go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now just start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. All in all, you have to click for 7 times, and then at the bottom, as you can see, it says, no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install non-apps. From here, all you have to do is just locate the loader and turn that option on. So what it does, it allows you to download other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, and there you'll find the loader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, all you have to do is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use the NordVPN, you can also get an IPVanish, which is also a decent VPN service. And I do have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of my video. And now safely, let's use the downloader application. So you just open the app, and then here on the left side menu, make sure to click on home, and now in that search bar we'll need to enter the link, which is going to be stremio.com. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's stremio.com. So we enter it just like that. There you go, stremio.com. There's the link. You can see it on your screen right now, so make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, when the website has opened for us, all you have to do is click on that sandwich button right here, and then go to the download page. So click on downloads, and now we just have to scroll down until we find the Android TV versions. There you go, and for the Firestick we need to download the ARM APK version. That's the version which should work on the majority of Firestick devices. So let's click on it, and now the download is going to start. Usually that doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed on your device. In my case I got a pretty fast connection, so that shouldn't take us too much time. Then you just have to click on install and wait until Stremio finishes installing on your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you're using, of course. And now, after the app was installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from the Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because your Firestick device by default doesn't have too much of free space on it anyway. And now, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, and there's the Stremio app, which we just loaded. Now, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way, Stremio is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.